Hello, assalamu alaikum, good morning, khushandi. Ji ayanu, khuyuma conversation with two such smart, brilliant and young kids, who did realize that they need to use this platform of YouTube to actually get their message across. And you know what their message was?
Yeah.
All the education they were receiving, just, basic educational and informative stuff that a lot of people out there need to learn as well. Now, this is something smart and wise, and I would totally watch this kind of content.
Exactly. So, which is why, ladies and gentlemen, we're actually going to share a glimpse with you guys as well. So, first things first, go ahead, take a look at what these kids are doing, and when you guys will come back, we have these amazing kids over here in the studios with us. So, let's go, let's take a look.
Welcome to our channel. Educate you on opposite words. Before we proceed on, you are requested to please subscribe to Angels Click and smash the bell icon for more such videos. Let's get started. Friends, first of all, let me tell you what are opposite words. Opposite words are the words which have totally different meanings like happy and sad. Let's discuss some opposite words using this booklet that I have made. Let's see what is inside. Full, empty. Hot, cold. Day, night. Small, big. Up, down. Few, many. Happy, sad. Put on, put off. Friends, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it informative and interesting, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to Angels Click and smash the bell icon for more infotainment stuff.
Here's my thumbs up.
Yeah, here's my 2 thumbs up, mashallah. Absolutely love the content.
And we are sharing it on this platform as well. And as soon as we go back home, we're going to share it on all of our social media platforms as well. Ladies and gentlemen, we're very lucky that we've been joined by these brilliant kids over here. First up, ladies and gentlemen, he is Mr. Zaid bin Shakir. Hello, assalamu alaikum, good morning.
Walaikum salam.
Thank you very much, Zaid, for joining us. It's wonderful to have you over here.
Thank you for inviting me.
Wow, wonderful.
It's our
I
pleasure.
love the confidence as well, and you look really cute, man. That's amazing.
Batman fan.
And alongside that, ladies and gentlemen, we're very lucky that we've actually been joined by Miss Fiza Shakir as well. Hello, Fiza. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I'm fine.
Thank you very much for joining us. And you're a superstar in the making. We saw you in the video. You were doing a wonderful job.
Yes.
So is
Thank
this
you for
cup small or
inviting me.
is this cup big?
That one big.
That one's big. Yeah, that's
Nice.
wonderful as well. Ladies and gentlemen, to be very honest, I think that all of these kids who are doing these wonderful jobs these days, they cannot do it all by themselves, because we know that this particular segment of children, when we talk about, are very vulnerable and they really need support and they really need empowerment.
True.
And confidence and morale boosting, and it's always done by the parents. So these parents are even exemplary, who are putting in so much effort for their kids to do something of their own. So we're very lucky that we've actually been joined by Mr. Abdul Rashid Shakir Sahab as well. Hello sir, assalamu alaikum, good morning.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. And this is how I'm going to put it. Even though that I'm not very sure whether you've been on television before or not, but imagine that you are on television today because of your kids. How do you feel about it?
I'm really one of the luckiest parents in the world. I'm so proud of my kids. They are putting a lot of effort and they are making us proud.
And that's brilliant. And we saw your video, Fiza. You were a star. Do you learn all the lines before? Pura script yaad hota hai?
Yes.
Yeah, that's really nice. Zaid, so the name is Angels Click, is it?
Yes.
Who came up with the name and when did you establish your channel?
The name was established by my father,
Okay.
and we launched our channel on 1st of January 2021, and it was
Oh,
my
it's
birthday.
just been a month or so.
Yes, and it was
Very-
also my birthday.
Oh, that's sweet. So was it always going to be about educational purposes?
Yes.
Is that your plan?
Yes.
And are you enjoying it?
Yes, we are enjoying it.
That's
Wow,
really
that's
nice.
wonderful. So how do you manage your YouTube channel? You know, do you think that it's a difficult task, or do you think that it's just okay? You know, I can do
No,
it every
it's
single day.
a normal task. We have made six corners. We have
Okay.
divided our channel into 6 corners. They are fun corner, info corner, Nazam and speech corner, story corner, science corner, and tech corner.
Wow. So one by one, you create one video for each.
Yes.
Is that so?
On alternative weekends.
On
But you know,
weekends.
when,
Okay.
when I was your age, you know, I didn't really want to do a lot of work, you know. So, you know, having 6 corners within one YouTube channel and then working, because you have to do your own research, you have to come up with your own script, you know. So doesn't it get difficult? And you like, you know, Baba, probably, you know, we'll do it some other day. I don't feel like doing it today.
No, it is not such a difficult task because we upload only 2 videos in a week.
Okay.
Yeah. It's for the weekends, right?
Yes, for
Okay.
weekends.
Fizza, what grade are you in?
3.
Wow, I thought you're, mashallah, so older than that because you're so smart and mature in the video. So tell me, I mean, I really like the setup. There's a background, there's balloons,
Yeah.
and then you had a whiteboard or a softboard. What are you planning to get more? I mean, in terms of your props, are you planning to buy more things for your channel? And who helped you like set up with the background? Was it your idea?
Yeah.
It was your idea. Okay, what are some of the things you want to buy for your channel? For example, maybe a mic.
Maybe a new camera.
Yeah, maybe a tripod stand. Are there some things you want?
No.
This is it. You have
So
all the things.
whatever you have,
Wow.
wow. I think that's great, and this is the kind of children anybody would want.
Hai
You
na?
know, without any demands. What do you want, bete? Nothing. Wow, that's wonderful. Shukr, alhamdulillah. I think that's great. But moving on to you, Rashid sir. Obviously, you know, they're growing up, and you know, there's now the world is open for everyone. And you know, having kids and you know who are so young and who want to do something by themselves, it's perfectly fine. But there always needs to be a check, you know, from the parent side as well. So how do you make sure that you strike that balance and you make sure that they are not exposed to the kind of content you do not want for them or for their eyes as well? So how do you make sure that, you know, every time when they're doing something, that there's constant eye on them as well?
Actually, this very idea as a driving force of this of creating this YouTube channel. Na?
Yeah.
Actually, this is a catch-22 situation. In today's tech-savvy world, you can't keep kids away from using all these gadgets. Na?
Exactly.
So the best part, the only option with the parents is to teach, is to educate kids how to make maximum best use of it.
Wow.
So that's why we have tried to do, for example, my kids, they don't have free time. Whatever free time they have, they are putting, researching, writing script or like that.
Wow.
For example, this YouTube channel is a family venture basically. No?
Okay.
For example, counseling and ideas, they come from my side. Then Zad, he does research and script writing. Then he shares with content with me through Google Doc.
Wow.
Whenever I get free time, I do the editing part and finalization.
Wow.
Then it goes to my business.
Wow.
He does the preparation work.
Yeah.
And then lastly, of course, the execution part, that is for the kids.
Exactly.
So in this way, we have tried to engage them. And the same, I would request all the parents
Yes.
to keep an eye on their kids, because you can't convince kids not to use, for example, mobile,
Absolutely.
tab or
They'll
iPhone.
do it anyway.
You can't do that. The only option, the only thing that you can do is try to engage them
Absolutely.
in a positive and productive way.
And you know what? This is also what healthy parenting is, right?
Yeah.
It's not that Rashid Saab over here sits at home and is a stay-at-home dad. He's a civil servant, mashallah, works throughout the day and then goes back to actually be the self that he is with his children too. But one question I have for both of you. Whenever you're shooting something, it doesn't always go as planned, right? There are sometimes bloopers, something bad happens and you start laughing or something. Just maybe you forget the words. Do you have any funny or embarrassing memory from one of your shoots?
No, not embarrassing, but we have a lot of fun.
Okay, tell me one.
We take many retakes and we make fun of each other when we.
Do you
the
laugh a
number of-
lot?
Yes,
Who laughs the most?
both.
Both.
I think
Okay.
that's wonderful. But you know, since it's you guys, you know, siblings working together, so siblings always fight a lot. Yeah. And I still remember growing up. You know, my sister, who's actually a year older than me, she used to beat the hell out of me
Aw.
every single day almost. and I couldn't fight back because I wasn't that strong then. Even now, you know, I'm never going to fight back to a sister. So what happens, you know, is she always happy with the kind of work you're doing, or are you always happy with the kind of work Fiza is doing? Or do you
Yes.
guys fight?
Yes, we are happy with the work of each other, but we also fight as of other brothers and sisters. But we fight for fun, not serious. And after some time, everything is okay, and we are happy again.
That's nice. So, like, there must be arguments, right? So, like your father said, you do the research, and mashallah, let me just say that is great, and that is so smart because not everyone is able to do that.
Yeah.
I don't like doing research for my own assignments. Can you believe it? But that's really smart what you're doing.
Yeah, let's
so
ask
does
Fiza
it?
the same question. as
Yeah,
well,
but we'll ask her. But does it ever happen that you come up with an idea and your dad approves it, but Fiza is like, मुझे तो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है ये, मैं तो कुछ और करना चाहती हूँ. Does it happen?
No.
No?
No.
You always like his ideas?
Yeah.
That's
Oh, that's why-
nice.
But
The idea which is approved by father. my
There's no
father-
going back then.
yes.
That is approved.
okay, that's good. But do you fight with your brother, or does he fight more often with you?
We both fight with each other, but we fight of fun, not
In a harmless
serious.
way, right?
So share a funny story with us. Do you have a funny story?
While you were shooting.
Yeah, we get more retakes. We take more retakes, and both of us
Yeah.
laugh on each other.
Laugh on each other. So, you guys, when the video is done and when the editing is done, before uploading, do you guys view it to see if there's
Yes.
any mistake?
Yes, we do it twice and thrice.
Huh. And then do you edit after? Are there some times when you like, oh, I wish I did this better, let's redo it? Do you ever do that?
No, no, because when we are shooting, and then when we take when we shoot a part, we check it twice and thrice that there is no mistake. And
Wow.
at that time, if we have to take the retake, then we take it. After that, it is finalized.
Okay, and you know, we know for sure that you guys are flawless anyways, which is why we've
Mashallah.
taken one more video out, which we are going to share with our audiences in 46 different countries. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go and let's check out Angels Click once again. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
सब तेरा सरमाया सब तेरा साया ये रुतबा ये शान मुहम्मद मैं तेरे कुर्बान मैं तेरे कुर्बान मुहम्मद मैं तेरे कुर्बान
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, these kids are flawless. These kids are full of energy, but there was a little bit of hitch or glitch from our side as well.
I think it's better if you actually log on to their YouTube channel and watch all the videos. It's
Yeah,
good
and
to be-
please make sure that you subscribe and you support, you know, the kind of initiatives they've been taking. And I think that, you know, it's our responsibility to promote them as well. But very quickly before we wrap up this segment, and that is that this is one thing which everybody should have in their head. And that is that, you know, for example, if me and Shizar, we come out over here every single day, we have a goal in our head. That, okay, we need to reach out to these audiences, we need to share with them whatever kind of talent Pakistan possess. What kind of impact do you want to have with your YouTube channel? Because Alhamdulillah, you're a kid right now, but after 10 years or 15 years, you'll be a grown-up man. So, you know, there needs to be constant progression, or you want to change your YouTube shows or the kind of variety you want to bring to people, there might be a change in it, or within your own thought process. So what kind of impact do you think you will have with your YouTube channel?
Yes, we will keep our channel infotainment,
Okay.
educational and entertainment both in one channel, and we will. It is lifetime channel, and we will.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, and we will
Work
continue making videos on our channel Yes.
Wow,
And
that's
can I tell
wonderful.
you, Zed, it's also very useful, not just because, first of all, let me just say it's only been 1 month to your channel, right? And inshallah, it will grow in no time, I tell you that. Because of the pandemic and COVID-19 going on as well, a lot of kids are not going to school, right? And their parents think, hum kya kare inka? We need to teach them, right? So they will open your channel and they will, like you were telling them the opposite words. It was so easy for me to understand.
Yeah.
So they will think, maybe I need to watch this video. And the kids, hundreds and thousands will learn from you guys. So you are technically their teachers as well. Do you know that?
Yeah,
Isn't it fun?
And it's wonderful. And the best part is that I think that their parents will not have to put in all the hard work as well. Beta ye yaad kar lo, because they are
Right.
actually doing it for other kids as well, which I think is wonderful. But okay, Zad, one last question. And I will have a question for you and for you too as well. What if, in 2 months' time, in 3 months' time, she's going to walk up to you, Fiza, and tells you that, why shouldn't we do a Barbie ka review, a Barbie doll review? What would you say to her?
Yes, if my father approve it, I will also approve it.
Okay, if your father will approve it, you will approve it.
Yes, we have a separate corner for that fun corner, and
Okay.
we can do that idea on that.
I
He's
think
very
that's-
smart,
Yeah,
man.
I think that's wonderful. He's politically correct as well.
Yes,
If
he's-
my father says it,
Ah.
I will go with it as well. Fiza, what about, Zad comes to you one day and be like, hey, you know what? Why don't we put a review on our remote control car or something which you don't like at all? Would you agree to him?
If my father will say, I will also.
Wow, man,
that's
I want to
nice.
move on to Rashid sir over here, sir. कौन सी कुटी पिलाई है आपने बच्चों को जो अब्बू कहेंगे हम वही कहेंगे
माशाल्लाह.
माशाल्लाह से. So now I think towards the end, which is very important, is that obviously you guys are putting in an effort, and from my perspective, the way how I look at it is that you tried to find a common ground with your kids where you were interacting, they were interacting, and everybody was having a family time, which I believe was wonderful.
Yes.
But then there comes a time when you really need to think about their mental health and mental approach towards things as well. So how are you keeping a balance in that? That, okay, enough of YouTube now, probably let's sit down, let's walk together, let's go to a park, let's ride bicycles. So how do you create that balance?
We try to manage everything. Na? We try to give each aspect full weightage. For example, as I told you, this is a family venture. As a family, we go out on picnic, shopping, everything. We try to do maximum activities with our kids. For example, when we go for grocery shopping every month, so that is a sort of outing for our kids.
Wow.
When we go out for example, outing or tour, travel, so I just keep in mind, I assign both of these a task that you have to write a piece of writing after it.
Okay.
That's nice.
Description. For example,
Yeah.
just to give you an idea,
Yes.
last year we took a family tour to Murray for 1 week. And Zayed bin Shakir, he has, mashallah, written a full novel on that.
Oh, amazing.
Chapter number 1, journey from home to Islamabad.
Wow.
Chapter number 2, journey from Islamabad to Murray.
Wow.
Chapter number 3, Patriata chairlift.
And all the things that you guys had to do.
Wow.
I wish
Everything is
my kids were like that,
documented.
inshallah.
Same goes with that. That's why, mashallah, I'm lucky that even at this young stage, they are too good in writing, research, and everything.
you won't have to
because
put
we
in
are
a lot of
putting a lot of effort,
Yeah,
and
of
alhamdulillah,
course.
they are responding. We are lucky in that.
Wow, that's
course.
wonderful as well. Thank you very much for joining us, kids. It was wonderful to have you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
So do you
Fiza.
want to tell them very quickly, Fiza, about your channel and where to subscribe? This is your camera. Tell them where to subscribe you,
Yeah.
okay?
You will subscribe,
Please
go
vis-
down and please visit our channel, watch it very much, and please subscribe, give it a thumbs up and like it.
Wow, that's wonderful as well. Thank you very much for joining us. It was wonderful to have you, ladies and gentlemen. These are superstars in the making. And in the next segment, we have a few more superstars in the making as well.
Because when we talk about YouTubing, Shazad, there's just so much you can do with it. And, well, of course, there's a right and wrong, yes, but there are so many things, again, in the bracket of right that you
Yes.
can do. So to find out what we will be talking about with the other YouTubers, you have to stay tuned. Good morning.
Good morning.